Destiny Child, shadows resting in the moonlight. It's so clear and bright in your